The Honeywell Capitan X Fat Tire electric mountain bike is perfect for cyclists that want the convenience of an electric bicycle with the sport performance of a true mountain bike. The 9-speed drivetrain offers the torque you need to tackle uphill climbs and maintain top speed without breaking a sweat, while the fat tires with high-performance suspension keeps the bumpy roads from disrupting your ride. The powerful 500-watt geared hub motor has 5 available levels of pedal assist, including 100% powered so you can customize your effort level to balance athletic effort and smooth, enjoyable cruising in the great outdoors. The waterproof backlit LCD smart pedal display instantly displays remaining charge, speedometer, odometer, assist level, and more. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.